Hey guys, Devin here with Trulli Audio, and I am here with my very special guest, Lance Perkins from JK Automotive. We have behind us a beautiful Porsche 997 Turbo. It is utilizing two of our TD10S subwoofers. How does the Trulli subwoofer help you guys in the modern design process, utilizing 3D printing and scanning and the shallowness of the speaker? How does it allow you guys to be more creative in the design process?
So like you said, there's not a ton of space in a lot of modern vehicles, so having a very slim, compact design really helps us open up our design opportunities. Typically, there's a big compromise of being able to maintain the space that we would need for a subwoofer enclosure while also having a nice, sleek, streamlined, and beautiful interior as well. So the compact design that doesn't take up a lot of space really gives us a ton of options. So I'd say it's the best of both worlds.
Right, so it just allows you guys to be more creative, one, because the TD10S doesn't need as much air volume to perform. Guys, this is an absolutely beautiful build that JK Automotive pulled off. Thank you, Lance, for being with us today. Check out JK Automotive at jkautomotivedesigns.com and check us out at trulliaudio.com, and we will see you guys soon.